These are some things I do in the morning to wake my mind up. For a few minutes, you might want to simply breathe, focus on your breath from the Dantian, the lower abdomen. And exhaling nice and slowly so that you feel relaxed and calm. Usually about 90 seconds after you wake up, you're still in the theta state, half asleep. Your brainwaves are more in the dreamlike state, which is theta brainwaves. And the theta helps you to get into the flow. Theta waves are more dominant in the flow state as well. So how can you use this to your advantage? Well, get out of bed, go straight to the project that you want to work on, go straight to the hobby that you enjoy, the skill you want to learn, the practice you want to develop, to the person you want to connect with, to the music you want to create, to simply walking outdoors and breathing the fresh air. Whatever it is, as long as it gives you happiness in the long term, because you can also be in the flow state where you're tending towards negative things that without awareness that you are choosing, but you will instantly be in the flow state from doing that. If this doesn't work, if it's more than 90 seconds, which often it will be, it simply might take some more focus, working through your resistance. You know, when you're like, how do I start? What do I do now? You might overthink. We need to go through the struggle. We need to release from it and then take action, because action is what drives you forward. It builds the momentum, it builds progress. You can set clear goals, break it down into 3 simple steps for each goal. Maybe set 3 goals for the day. And you can always do some Qigong that'll help you get in the flow as well, because it helps to release tension, unblock your energy, and get in a better mood. If you find something is too challenging, bring the challenge down a notch, or go to something that you do find a bit easier, more suited to your level of skill, because it's this challenge skill balance that creates the flow. And when you're in the flow, you know intuitively what to do because you're paying attention, you're listening to your energy.